Alright, here are all the washers at Lowe's. Which is, I'll give you a tour of this, and don't mind the noise in the background because of something, I don't know. But yeah. Here's the Maytag washer right here. And something, I can feel it wobbling, but it might be a leg who's not attaching balance well or something. Maybe it's just not screwed in or whatever it is. MVWC 56 fine FW. And yep, this is different model. This is commercial technology, and this is without it. Made by Whirlpool Machines. Oh, forget the model number. Maytag with an agitator, which is the modern washer. So here are the Maytag commercial, which is the modernist washer. We'll keep it off. Yeah. It's just like the old model of the Kenmore agitator right here. MVW P576KW. I think it's 3.5 cubic feet washer. I'm a little interested by a dryer nozzle that you can adjust to rotate. So yeah. Here are the Maytag commercial technology. With the wash plate model. MVW 7232 HW. Don't mind those, this is a customer right here. So here's the Whirlpool washer. It's almost just like my previous model to my Maytag Centennial machine. Well, actually the stainless steel tub right here. Softener dispensers. WTW 4816 FW. That machine looks pretty brand new. I believe it's a midi washer made by Frigidaire right here. Yeah. It reminded me an LG or a Kenmore Elite Oasis, whatever it is, but yeah. So I guess this is made by Frigidaire. This is a different model instead of the agitator in the machine. This is the wash plate machine, which is something bluish, but yeah. You can do a movement by that. And I'm not entirely sure about the model number, but if you know it, please comment down below, because I'm curious what model number is this. Oh, besides before showing inside, here it is. Whirlpool washer. Has a removable agitator right here and load and go, which just has a Maybe it's just like a smart dispensing to LG washer. But yeah, I guess this is the detergent. Fabric softener and bleach and brush. You can turn this way to remove it by pushing the handle, and then turn it and remove it. So yeah, if you have this model, this is what you got. If you want an agitator, leave it this way, or if you want a wash plate model, then remove this and move the agitator somewhere that you want it to put. Alright, so, and this is a different model, which is basically just like it. Wait, this is the HC model, and this is the HW model. This is WTW8127LC. Well, not actually HW, it's LW or something. It is the same model, 8127LW. And right here, this is the main modernist washing machine. Right here, this is the Amana. Just like we did the last video, if we are doing the one with the Amana washing, actually, this is where we exactly did the doing the video, the one with the Roper washing machine at high school. So here's the dial. Alright. Same settings like the Roper machines. This is the Amana. So that's MTW 4516FW. And the GE. So it's GTW 335ASNWW. Basically, maybe it's just not a dual action agitator, it's just a moving way agitator. Maybe it's just a whatever action, it's like dual action for this. Or actually, maybe it's just advancing or something. Yeah, I'll learn it. Maybe I'll just think of it. And here's another GE, which has a messy temperature knob. It's fine without it, so this is the old model, just like the other older one with the no blue letters right here. Inside the washer, and it has an agitator. So yeah. GTW 465 ASNWW. Alright. So that's the corner right here. And yes, we did this. Here's another one. This is the Samsung washer, self-clean and smart care. And of course, self-clean helps to clean a tub immediately. It'll remind anyone after about whatever cycles you've been using. Glass lid. It's WA45T3200AW-A4. Or call it AA, whatever it is. Dispensers. And LG washer right here, which is basically a newer model. It's like, I've been thinking about agitator model, but this is the wash plate model, like the older model of the washer has. I'm not entirely sure what model is this on an LG washer. Comment down below if you know, because I can't see anything on the other side, or whatever side you can commit. Yeah, comment down below with it. And here we have new GE profile washing machine, which is basically I first see at Home Depot since I've been waiting for Rivas, whatever I pronounce it, but yeah. Did a full cycle of without a terminate spin washer, which is crazy, but yeah. Here are the new GE washer. So, some other people ask why is the blue cap on this wash plate right here. Good question, but as you can see those blue thing right here on the balance ring, as you can read this way, it has a whatever direction where it is, but yeah, this is the micro band. Just like the last video, we did a review of the GE Ultra Fresh washer, which is my friend. But yeah. PTW 600B SRWS. Gentle Slam. Samsung, the newer one. Excuse my focus, sorry about that. Has an agitator model right here. Where's the model number? Oh, there it is. I almost forgot what a newer model on the Samsung was, but yeah. WA51A555AV. And Samsung, another Samsung with a black model, which is the one with a different model actually, which I'll show you in a moment. Model number WA44A345AB. Has an active wave agitator. Oh, it has water jet feature. Samsung, which is it's still in stock right now, this is the model I almost about to buy since after I bought all the kitchen appliances in my house. So yeah, Samsung active water jet HE washing machine. Has a wash plate model. So WA50R 5200 AW/US. And another one I almost about to buy as well. This is the Samsung front loader washing machine. Here on the model number WF45R6100 AC-US. And now, since I came back from the not Home Depot, since if I came back to this store, here it is. My main, well, not my main model on this machine, but this is a different exact model number that we were doing the video of the HW washers. So yeah, here are the Maytag Commercial Technology, which is an easy model that I can describe it. Yeah, exact same control panel, but different body around it. So yeah. The same exact washer with the dead fly in here, which is gross, very gross. This is the same in here. Recirculating pump, MHW 5630, which is 5630HC. Same dispenser drawers. Here are the newer Samsung washer right here. you can adjust the cycle whenever you like. It has multi-control. No more reaching. Side by side with pedestals. My washer only has side by side, but only has a wood, which is, you can watch the videos from it from my channel. January 3rd, 2021. So WF50A 860AE. So, oh, I never seen that, but yeah, it's taped, but it's okay. Oh, stupid door. The smartest way to wash. And here another one, just like the model right here. Here's the another Samsung washing machine, which is one of the smart devices, whatever you like. Smart things, absolutely. WF45A64 A6400 AV. I almost pronounced it wrong, so couldn't read it too well. And here's the small washing machine right here, this is the LG, the Think washer. It's the smallest washing machine I've ever seen. So yeah, here's the small tub right here, this is the 2.4 cubic feet washer. So here it is. WM1455HWA. Yeah. Had a certified clean feature. Focus here. And we have a laundry center, which is this is the Whirlpool laundry center. And here we have a wash plate model, which is something falls off, but I guess this is the filter right here. 1.6 cubic feet washer, dryer, with model number right here, WET 4024HW. How much cubic feet is this dryer? Never mind. Maybe comment down below. Here the lint you can remove easily from the dryer. There's the copyright claim in the background. And here's the shamed laundry center right here, which is basically we did a last video of the Kenmore Laundry Center, never did anything good. Here's the GE. What the heck just happened? Oh, it's currently unavailable. What a glitchy one. I hope you read that, because, yeah. Yeah, let's just move it out. Here's the GE washer, just like we did. Look at the back, which is pretty sure the same model in here. Oh, what's up with the agitator with a different softener in here? Oh, there we go. Now I can read that. 3.8 cubic feet wash tower, well, which is I can call it. It's a laundry center. Oh, I believe this is the knob that it's been pulled out. So yeah. Dryer. So it's all number GUD 27 GSSMWW right here. need to move it back. I don't want to glitch this one again. I guess I'm going to keep on working right here. And here's the model that we did last video since my friend first bought that GE, which is the different model on the body. Here's the GE Ultra Fresh washing machine. And the blue gasket, that's the microband gasket. It's GFW 550 SS MWW. I've been thinking about that's the DG washing machine. And here's the Whirlpool. It's just like a base model that the Maytag is actually made by Whirlpool. So yeah, that's the Whirlpool washing machine. Exactly have the same dispensers. Oh yeah, you can definitely pull this one out for load and go, that's the drawer. It almost reminded me that's the pedestals. Yeah, and you can fix that filter in here when your filter gets clogged. Here the washer, exactly like Maytag, but the one with the different tumbler actually. WFW5620 HW. Well, if you got your dispenser open when your door's in the way, you have to close it first before you can open the door all the way. So yeah. A Mana washing machine, another same basic model. Has the same model as Whirlpool as well. Of course, every Maytag, a Mana can be made by Whirlpool right here. So yeah, a Mana NFW 5800 HW washing machine. I'm having a hard time focusing right here, so yeah. And right here, Samsung washer. Another Samsung washer with a white model actually. Just like the model of the brown model that we looked at right here. That's the tub right here. Model number 8. Excuse me. WF45T 6000 AW. And moving on down here, we got LG appliances right here. So I'm not gonna lie, right here, this is the older model. It's still for sale. This is the LG washer, has a certified clean, has the old consoles, and the old console right here, which as you can see. This is just like WM3500 CW washer. Well, the one with a dot right here, three holes, whatever it is. Don't mind the serial. It's WM8100 HVA. Very interesting. No, they have the steam dry on the dryer right here. So here's another LG, which is the newer model. This is the new console, and this one is the old console model, and this is the new console model right here. a new size tub right here. Model number Focus WM4200 HBA. And here's another one, which is another LG. Of course, both of them has a thick smart devices from phone and stuff. Has a lot of cycles, including, doesn't matter, maybe I've been thinking about the one with the drum light, but it's okay. But oh, it's just like there's the other tumbler, just like the older model has. WM4000 HBA. Focus here. And another one. The probably a 10 cycle washer. Is a little bit of small one right here. It's just like the inside of this machine right here. So WM3600 AV, actually HVA, that's right. Almost had trouble describing model numbers. Here are the LG. Another one, which is just like this model, and this is the white model right here. At least I need to get this out of the way. Alright. WM3400 CW. So yeah, let's get this out. Alright, last but not least, this is a very vintage washing machine. Actually, before that, I want to see what is this. This is the True Steam Washer? Oh wait, actually it's a Styler fabric steamer. This is a newer model that I never know. Wow. It's a fabric steamer. That's a pretty cool model right here. That's amazing. LG. Here are the wash tower right here, this is the Vantage Laundry Center, which is, I can call it a wash tower washing machines. Certified, has a feature panel option. And that's exactly the new model they have. It's a WKGX 201 HWA. Doors are the other way. Excuse me. Dryer. Alright, that's the tour of all of the machines at Lowe's, and we'll see if we can do the one with the tours, the washing machine at the Home Depot, which is coming up until another video. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in another video, and stay washing.